recording?
Yeah.
Did you fit him in there?
Yeah.
Here you go.
If we
take one of the crew right here.
We're stopping at the gas station, right?
Yeah, we have to.
You guys got your IDs, right?
Over there.
He would be
She's taking a picture. He would look this way, huh?
So Daniel? Look at the wrong one?
Yeah, he's looking over there.
No, Illy says pizza.
I'm always like, yeah, so does Manuel.
And you
Always
like
say
find me
pizza.
as soon as I got back home.
Wow.
Oh, that's fucked up.
I know, passport. Your what? Your what? My passport. Your passport?
Hey, we got the passports?
Yeah, got it ready.
Don't forget that the passport.
No, you just need your IDs. We're flying international. We're flying international.
Ooh, we're obviously going to happen.
Well, I'm sorry, I only fly to Mexico.
I've flown
Yeah, I can tell.
to Mexico. Flan to Mexico.
I like flan too.
Go flan.
Yeah. I'm not. Killing myself on the beat, time to take him to a murder spot. Got them all on lockdown, stop now. Just look at all the beats we drop now. I'm a beast. Eat him up, beat him up, sit him down. This is my town. His flow's disgusting. That motherfucking breath can do that. I'm the shit, I thought you knew that. I'm the best, so it's best you move back. Stick it in your head, dumb shit, glue that. We can make a big thought, we prove that. Hearing all the hate, whack, boo that. We real, y'all fruity, toucan. Breath on fire, these other raps are tired. Killer Myers, rap suppliers, action writers, check the flyer. Different from most, we slick. Y'all hate, I'm over it. Y'all talk just make me sick. I'm at a line like I have to piss. Head to the crown, there's only one way. Staring at it, just give me one day. Like Beyonce, check my flow cause it's on the runway. My shit's you rap what the hell I care for. I'm grown, y'all lames is first grade. My shit's contagious,
I'm
airborne.
number one. Nobody can never take the throne. I'm number one. For a reason, these haters is pitiful. I'm like, damn, can't they see we on top of it?
Oh wait, you're recording?
You're recording?
I'm like, one. Nobody can never take the throne. I'm number one. For a reason, these haters is pitiful. I'm like,
We're on here,
That's like in 2 months.
about to do it up. We got a performance tomorrow at about 7 o'clock at the Knitting Factory.
I could be that number 1 and 2 and I'll piss and shit and I'll count this bitch. Flow ugly, some say ill right. Virgin flow, but some say bit tight. And I could be that crazy motherfucker. Ask your mother when I know when I come, I spill white. Get it? When I come, I spill white. Spit it like a dick that spits at eyes. I don't get it, you can press rewind, play back, and you can just go back in time. I've been a victim. I've been a drinker. Spit a little quicker with a little bit of liquor. Therefore, makes your boys that much nicer. Y'all football rappers fumble. Don't run the jungle. Y'all mumble. Y'all struggle. Chop at the beat, then I serve the gumbo. Y'all know I kill them beats right. You let them live like a scared like a weed pipe. Y'all styles can't do it like me right. Smash up a verse where you suck it, just rewrite. I've been so ill for your name, Mike, and I can give you the chills and the heat right. Spit a little bit, button up the boot to your lens, come see me. Then you say hi. I go so hard, I'm ripping. Pound for pound, you just can't lift him. My shit's number 1 like doo-doo. Sitting on the throne with your fuck.
I'm number one. Nobody can never take the throne. I'm number one. For a reason, these haters is pitiful. I'm like, damn, can't they see we on top of it all? I'm number one. To the mall, I'm number one. I'm like, one. Nobody can never take the throne. I'm number one. For a reason, these haters is pitiful. I'm like, damn, can't they see we on top of it all? I'm number one. To the mall, I'm just wait for the savage call. I'm like,
on top of it all, never gonna fall. To drop these bars, now these motherfuckers wonder who we are. Tell them that I'm coming, I'm a superstar. If they really wanna get it, check my repertoire. I'ma wreck these bars, come test me, Now they niggas say I'm acting up, that it's acting tough.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the big rock, so he gets the little rock, and he starts breaking the ice around it, so he can get the big rock.
That's a bitch, but it's fair enough. I really don't have time to even call you.
Not all monkeys are stupid, by the way.
Tell me how you do it, we can go on with the movement and fuck shit up. Spit a verse with ease, bring a hearse and leave. Now they all can see that O&E's a team that's out of your league. Out of your league, yeah, I'm out of my mind. We all can agree that I'm out of my grind. So tell me what you see when you look in my eyes, cause I will guarantee and I will advise that I'll be heading for the throne, sending niggas home, repping for my city that I brought along. With a bad bitch and a couple bad chicks, balling like the Mavericks while they get mad quick because I'm that sick. Kill 'em with a head shit, make it go ratchet while I cause havoc. Cause I'm a savage, better yet, just call me the man, bitch.
Nobody can.
Yo, it's Truant.
The Kid Breathless.
Savage all day, baby.
Yup.
We're here in Reno, just got done with the show last night, the Winter Jam. Got Icon Music up in here. We got Spirit Tank, Tino,
Young Quicks.
The lovely Abrina, is her name, right?
Yep.
And then we had some good shows by Clyde Carson,
Love
John
Rants.
Hart. It was a good show.
Check it out. It's gonna be on YouTube. Inkiller 13. That's where you'll find all our videos and everything. Turned up. That was the boy spirit.
All day. We just letting you guys know that we had a blast. It's been a good experience. It's a whole nother, type city, but it was.
Shout out to all the fans out here, all the support, loved it all. Had a great performance. Everything went smooth, everything went clean, and shout out to all the Savage crew.
If you guys haven't seen the show yet, it'll be up, or it probably is up already if you guys haven't gone through the pages.
YouTube, youtube.com/Inkiller13. Find all our videos up there. For those of y'all that were there, make sure you cop the album on iTunes. You guys got the shirt, all the information's on that. Just scan the little reader. You got it. Want something like this?
Check out our SoundCloud, which is soundcloud.com/X3Savage. Follow us on Twitter and Facebook at Truant and Breathless, TRUANT, capital N, BREFLESS.
Let's
Thanks.
get it.
Savage, we out.
This is a stupid idea. Where's the GPS?
Look at
Go damn MapQuest.